In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Microsoft Outlook. A straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure. If you need to update your password, follow along as I guide you step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is open Microsoft Outlook and sign in if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged into the account for which you need to change the password. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for accessing your account settings. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile picture. Click on it, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the My Account option. Alternatively, you can navigate directly to the Microsoft account page by typing in https://account.microsoft.com in your web browser's address bar. This page is your hub for managing various aspects of your Microsoft account, including security settings. After reaching your account page, look for the Security section. Click on this, and then select Password Security. This path leads you into the heart of your account's security settings, where you can make necessary updates to protect your information. Now that you're in the right place, you'll see the Change Password option. Clicking on this will open a prompt that requires you to enter your current password. This step is an important security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to account settings. Go ahead and carefully type in your current password. Following this, you'll need to enter your new password. Remember, it's essential to choose a password that is both strong and memorable. A mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is generally recommended to enhance security. You'll be asked to type the new password a second time to confirm it. This double entry helps to prevent any typos or mistakes in your new password. Once you've entered your current and new passwords accurately, you'll see the option to either save or submit your changes. Click on this, and your new password will be set. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your password. One final but crucial step to complete this process is to sign out of your account on all devices. This includes not just Outlook, but any apps or services where you're logged in with your Microsoft account. After signing out, you can then sign back in using your new password. This ensures all of your devices are synced and secure with your updated security credentials. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change your password in Microsoft Outlook, keeping your account safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.